welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, you're gonna see some jet ski action. Hard to do, one-handed. These waves are cute. Welcome back to the channel. So what you're about to see is me put in this jet ski. I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks on how to put it in by yourself. No help, there's nobody to help me back the truck. I'm completely by myself here, and I'm gonna put it in straight down there on the dock. So first things first, I'm gonna push these quick straps right here, get them out of the way. Second one, same way. Love these things, they work so good. I usually ratchet it up a little bit just to keep that from the impeller, just so it can't really reach it. All right, so got that. Got my drain plugs in. Make sure they're tight, everything's good. Nothing loose on the machine. You can see I put some tape right there just so it don't bump the dock. So off camera, I just tied a rope to the front hook right there really quick, and you can see that I pulled it over to the gas cap area, because the last time I put it around this area and it got hung on this. It got hung on this for some reason wherever it was trying to come off the trailer. So I've got these new things I'm gonna try. These are just suction cups. We're gonna see if that helps out. So I'm about to back down the dock. Rope the same way. Give it a little nudge. All right, so I did something a little bit different than putting the tape on the side. So I went to Harbor Freight and I bought some of these suction cup things, and as you can see, they do a great job. Hopefully it's not too dark, but it does not let the boat touch the side. So it works really good. And I just took the rope and tied it through the loop there, and you can see both of them. So I bought 3 suction cups just like that, and I stuck them on the side, and you can see that the bumper doesn't even touch. So if you have a jet ski, it's awesome. Awesome tip.